Okay, ma'am. Good morning too. So I would like to reserve room for 2 person, please. Okay. Yes.
To the reservation process, may I know who is on the line?
Okay, this is Jael Chaya. Yes, ma'am.
Can you spell your name, please?
L Ochaya. So G Golf Alpha Echo Lema Ochaya Oscar Charlie Hotel Echo and Alpha. That's it, ma'am. Okay.
Welcome to the Ibis Hotel. How may I help you?
Actually, I have a reservation today.
Okay, sir. Okay, Mr. Chaya, I will receive a reservation with a non-smoking double room with you and with ocean view. Is that correct?
Yes, exactly, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. Can I request identification card, please?
Okay. Here we go. This is my identification card, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. We have received your credit card, so please sign your receipt.
Okay, so this is a form for
Yes, sir.
my reservation.
Yes, sir.
So okay, sir. So this is my information, and the bottom form, and also my credit card info.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And good day.
Yes. Okay. But wait, sir. Wait, sir. I need to pay 50,000 for one night? What the heck? That is too expensive. For only one night? What the fuck? What kind of hotel is this, sir? It's too expensive. For only one night, I have to pay 50,000? Sir,
Yes, sir. You need to pay 50,000 pesos. But I will assure you, sir, that you have to enjoy staying in a 5-star hotel, specifically in Medalli's Hotel.
so I am shocked about the price. But may I know about the package of that 50,000 that I spent for only one night?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. This is all you need. Your 50 pesos will not be.
Okay, sir, let me know, sir.
Yes,
the
sir.
additional reservation or the additional for only 50,000. May I know, sir?
Yes, sir. We have additional service, sir, like unli buffet. Unli buffet, and also you can use any kinds of, for example, the gym, the sport division, like you need basketball all the time.
Sir, I will stay here for only one night. I just want to sleep and do about my responsibility in my company, sir. So why should I need those kind of activities that I want? Yes, I want to stay here.
Okay, sir. I understand your complaint, but I rest assured that you're not wasting your money for nothing.
Okay, let's see. Let's see, sir. Let's see.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so can I call someone to put my luggage in my
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I call the bellman.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. This is your room number. So leave your luggage and let our staff to carry your luggage in your specific room, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. This is your room number. So please leave your luggage here and let our staff carry your luggage in your specific room, sir.
What the heck, miss? You're so clumsy.
I'm so sorry, sir.
What the fuck is this kind of stuff?
Sorry, sir. Sir. Please go to your room. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Shit!
Sorry. 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 Shit!
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I'm glad to assist you today. How was your stay with us, sir? Did you enjoy it?
Honestly, no. Capital and no. And I will never come here again in Dagupan. Never, never, never. Because I didn't even feel comfortable place here in Dagupan. And my recommendation about this hotel, please suit your prices here and hotel about what are those products or services that you offer to your customers. Because as far as I observe in my experience, it's a big bad thing in here in Dallas Hotel. But to the ma'am, I didn't feel it any. I didn't enjoy this hotel.
That's bad to hear, sir. But again, I'm glad you stayed without it.
Okay, so thank you. Goodbye. Alright, so in conclusion, it is important to in tourism and hospitality industry to show smile for your clients, customers, and even your co-workers. If you will encounter your experience about mouthing experience, you must to show smile because smile serve as a respect and being professional. And right? Showing smile. Ouch! Putang ina! Okay. Right, so showing smile serve as being respect and and showing being a professional person. So that's the good example in tourism and hospitality industry.